All right, so this is 1420 Oak Haven Drive, Safety Harbor, and we just came down the stack to the master. We want to check the line going from one side of the house to the other. So we know we got the jetter in here. We actually hit this line about 4 or 5 times, and we made sure it was hitting the bottom of the toilet when we were running the jetter. So that's where either the tub ties in or the kitchen. So you can see by the counter we're about 14 feet in so far. Line looks awesome. All right, so we made it all the way to the clean out. We're going to record coming back. It is holding just a little bit of water, but I would recommend Scott tissue toilet paper and pressure assisted toilet. All right, so we're pulling out of the stack now. I wouldn't recommend at this point digging anything up.